फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Hello everyone, you're watching Cricket Next. I am Suramya Kaushik with post-match report of Royal Challengers Bengaluru versus Delhi Capitals, the match that RCB have won by a huge margin of 47 runs. Well, it'll be very, easy to say, or I think fair enough to say that RCB outclassed DC in this match. Now, Delhi Capitals were playing without their captain Rishabh Pant, who was banned for one match after maintaining slow over rates continuously in the previous matches. RCB, oh my God, they are on a winning spree. They've been just winning matches, and they have been into some different avatar from that win after Sunrisers Hyderabad, and then after that win against Gujarat Titans. Those two wins that happened, and now you see they have managed to win the match against Delhi Capitals, and now they have jumped on fifth spot in the points table. Now, what all happened today? Let's have a quick look. Now, here we have RCB batters first. Now, if we talk about Virat Kohli, his dismissal by Ishant Sharma. Ishant Sharma dismissed Virat Kohli after 16 years, for the first time after 16 years. And that over was such a dramatic, interesting, and fun over where both Virat Kohli and Ishant Sharma were in that, banter. They were in that fun mood. Two Delhi guys, one's bowling, another one is batting, and they were in such that good chatter. But at the end, Ishant Sharma took Virat Kohli's wicket, and he was all smiles. Here's a look at it. You see the celebration from Ishant Sharma. Again, for the first time in 16 years, Ishant Sharma got Virat Kohli's wicket. So obviously that happiness. And I was just telling, this kind of banter was there. This is what Ishant Sharma did to Virat Kohli. Now, Virat Kohli went back, pretty early as we saw the scorecard. But in form, Rajat Patidar has been performing really well. In match against DC as well, he made a really good half century, 50 odd runs on board. He got up for RCB, and then obviously with him there was Will Jacks. Now, what costed Delhi Capitals this match was the dropped catches. If we talk about the dropped catches that happened in this match, there were four dropped catches, and it was so heartening, and it was so disappointing to see from Delhi Capitals the way they were dropping catches. You see this visual, Akshar Patel dropped a catch. Now, four dropped catches. In first dropped catch, we saw how Akshar Patel dropped one, and that dropped catch was of Will Jacks. I mean, Will Jacks was batting, and Akshar Patel dropped his catch. Then a second dismissal that was dropped by Delhi Capitals was of Rajat Patidar. At that time, Shai Hope dropped the catch. The third dropped catch was again of Will Jacks, and it was dropped by Tristan Stubbs. It was seen to be a pretty easy catch. And then the fourth dismissal was again of Rajat Patidar, where Akshar Patel again dropped him. So the dropped catches and poor fielding costed Delhi Capitals this match against Royal Challengers Bengaluru. They must be really very disappointed with their performance, but ones who must be very happy with the performance are Royal Challengers Bangalore. RCB are pretty happy as they are on the fifth position, and they'll be facing Chennai Super Kings in a great and interesting encounter, because at this point of time, Chennai Super Kings are on the third position. They have to win that match against RCB. And if RCB have to keep their hopes alive, then they have to win that match against CSK. It's going to be a fun clash between the two teams. But for this match, Rajat Patidar shown really well. Will Jacks, Cameron Green, everybody performed well. And then obviously the drop catches that costed the match. But what all changed the dynamics of this game was when Delhi Capitals came to bat. Obviously, David Warner went back when Delhi Capitals had made only 8 runs, and for his bank, if we check his bank, David Warner made just a run of 2 balls. But the big wicket was of Fraser McGurk. Even after David Warner's wicket, Fraser McGurk was in his own arena. He was making runs. He was, his in his perfect style. He was just going after those big shots, as you can see from the scoreboard only, that he made 21 of 8, but that was a freak run out from Yash Dayal that costed Delhi Capitals the wicket of Fraser McGurk. So he had to depart. Then came in Abhishek Porel. He also didn't bat well, made just 2 runs of 3. The two who made good runs, the two who built a 50 runs over partnership was Shai Hope and Akshar Patel. So Akshar Patel for sure did keep some nerves. He batted for a bit of a time, to take Royal Challengers Bengaluru on their foot, and obviously then take Delhi Capitals near to that victory line, which was really very far apart, because what they were chasing was 188, and the way 4 wickets of Delhi Capitals fell in the span of 4 overs only, it was pretty certain that Delhi Capitals will be facing a tough time. So the 4 wickets costed Delhi Capitals a lot, and then there was no Rishabh Pant as well, who could have anchored the innings in between. And Akshar Patel tried his most, but wasn't enough. Obviously, he made 57 of 39, but wasn't enough for Delhi Capitals to win this match. And after that, those 2 dismissals of Yash Dayal's over. The first one, the way as we saw, there was Tristan Stubbs' wicket as well, the run out we all saw. But Yash Dayal, how he picked up, Akshar Patel's wicket, how he picked up Abhishek Porel's wicket, all of those things changed things for Delhi Capitals, and they made just 140 runs in 19.1 overs. So Delhi Capitals couldn't even complete the quota of 20 overs, and they just managed to win. Managed to make only 140 runs and hand over the win to Royal Challengers Bengaluru. So RCB players are very, very happy after this win, and why not? Because they have jumped to the 5th position, and now they will be looking forward to that one game against Chennai Super Kings. Now, if we talk about the player of the match, it has gone to Cameron Green, and that has gone to Cameron Green for his all-rounder performance with the bat and with the ball. So if we talk about Cameron Green's bowling, so Cameron Green got 1 wicket and gave away 19 runs for overs bowled with an economy of 4.75, and also managed good runs on board. As you can see, Cameron Green managed 32 of 24. So 32 of 24, and with ball just bowled with an economy of over 4. It's absolutely stunning. So Cameron Green is in form finally for RCB. That's all from this post-match report. At the end, let me tell you once again, Royal Challengers Bengaluru have defeated Delhi Capitals with a very big margin, and that margin is of 47 runs. And now RCB are on number 5 position. They will be really looking forward for that win against Chennai Super Kings when they'll face CSK. And on the other side, CSK also have to win this match. It's going to be so much fun. बहुत मजा आएगा. Lekin before that, what we have to keep an eye on, how the other teams are performing. And Delhi Capitals, poor day today. Well, let's see what will happen with them in the coming days. That's that from my side. Thank you. Good night, and keep yourselves safe.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।